Hi guys, welcome to Pudaya Reveal channel. Today we are going to look new feature called Visual State Manager, which is released this month, that is May 2018. Earlier this month, um, there is a new feature called Visual State Manager released along with Xamarin.Forms 3.0. So let's see how it works. Just basic understanding. Before that, you have to install the latest version of Xamarin.Forms 3.0. I'm using Visual Studio for Mac. In that one, we have um, dependencies folder. Inside that, there is NuGet package. There you go. We have Xamarin.Forms 3.0. You have to have this version, otherwise you have to right click and update it, and you will get the latest version. So once you install it, sorry, if you have Visual Studio for Windows, right click the solution um, folder and then manage a NuGet package. Okay. Inside that tab, you have to find the Xamarin.Forms here. That is restore NuGet package, but you can find um, new menu called Manage NuGet package. Inside that, you have to look for the installed packages and update it. Now, once you have done that, we can start writing a Visual State Manager code. I'm going to create an entry inside this stack layout. I'm going to give width request, which is 200. Then immediately inside that entry, we are going to give Visual State Manager. Visual State Manager dot Visual State groups. Then close this, and then inside that, create another tag Visual State group. This time not groups, it's group, just group. Sorry. Visual State group, and then space name. It should be X colon name. X colon name. It is some name. I put common states because we are going to use common name at the moment. Then inside that, create a visual state. This visual state, give a name for this visual state. X colon, I'm going to give first normal, and then visual state. So what we are going to do is we have to have a different state for every control. So for example, in this entry, we have different state like normal, sometimes it is focus, sometimes disable, enable, so those kind of things. So I'm going to customize here normal and focused visual state. So during that state, what kind of color it should be, the background color. So I'm going to change its style uh, while the entry becomes in that state. So first I'm going to customize its style when it is normal. Here normal means unfocused. So when it is unfocused, what state should be it is, what kind of style it should have. So for that, visual state dot setters, close the tag, then set property, what property we are going to change, background color, right? So I'm going to type background color. Then what will be the value for it? Um, Silver. Let's see. Um, so this is unfocused. I'm going to copy the state again and create another state that is called focused. When this entry is focused, I'm going to change the color to lime. So when it is unfocused, it is silver. When it is focused, it should be lime. That's a state I'm going to give for this entry. So let's run this app. Um, let's see how it works. So I'm going to stop and run iPhone X simulator. So basically, I'm in this tutorial, I'm not going to give so much Visual State Manager features. I'm simply create two states, normal and focus, for entry, and then I customize only background color. But you can create as much as style you want inside these setters, and um, and you can create more visual states like disable, enable, and then you can do whatever you want to do in a view model. So those kind of things I will take those lessons in the next tutorial, next videos, upcoming videos. At the moment, first you have to understand what is visual state. That's the reason I'm going to make it very simple for this time. Let's see whether it is working, whether it is installing or not. I'm still waiting for it. Um, and here we have normal and focused state. Um, when the app is first launched, it will not be um, in any state. It will be in a default state. So when the app is first launched, it won't be in normal state. This normal refers to unfocused. So it won't be in this color, silver color. It won't be in silver color. The default color, it should be displayed in white color, I guess. Um, but um, when it is when it is first focus, it becomes lime, and then when it is again unfocused, then it becomes to silver color. Um, but when it is launched, it won't be in silver color. So if you want initialize its states to normal, you have to write that in your code behind or view model. So it's already installed and opening. Let's see how it works. So before it runs, in our code behind file, we can change that state into uh, normal state by default. So though that kind of thing I can do inside the XAML.cs and inside that constructor. Because it is running, I can't edit. Maybe in Visual Studio for Mac, I can write. So that is Visual State Manager. So Visual State Manager dot go to state. That is go to state. So when the app is launched, it should go to which state? So first we have to name put the name of that control, visual state, visual element, that is common state. We have to give a name for this entry for that. So I'm going to give entry name. So entry one, then entry one will be in normal state. So if I did this one line code, by when it is launched, it becomes normal. But I haven't run this code. Uh, this code is lost code. This code is not yet implemented. So this is old code. By default, it is white color. Let's see what it happens when it is focused. It's become line because we have mentioned when it is focused, it should be in line. When again unfocused, it becomes silver. So when I focus line, unfocused silver, that's a visual state. So if we if you want by default when the app is launched you have to customize the visual state, then you have to put this in your xaml.cs file inside the constructor. So if you want, we can rerun it. It takes some time. In our next tutorial, we can look for this kind of state in detail. Thank you very much. Please do provide your comments, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.